Buffington was just an ordinary guy when one day he was bitten by a radioactive dirt bike and accidentally drank a cup of ninja juice, turning him into Dirt Bike Ninja.
Dirt Bike Ninja, he is a ninja. He's on a dirt bike. Did I mention he's a ninja? Dirt Bike Ninja, the only thing he knows how to ride is a dirt bike. Did I mention he has a great credit score?
Hello?
Dirt Bike Ninja, it is me, the mayor. Look, we have problems all over this city and only you can save us.
Absolutely.
Good luck, Dirt Bike Ninja. We're counting on you.
I'm on it.
Dirt Bike Ninja!
Hello, young boy.
My dog is stuck in the tree!
Don't worry, son. Dirt Bike Ninja is here to help.
Dirt Bike Ninja! You're my hero!
Remember, Jesus says to love your neighbor. I'm off. Not so fast, prisoner! Oh no! Dirt Bike Ninja! Busted! There's consequences for what you've done, my friend. But don't worry, Jesus forgives and he loves everyone. Authorities, take him away. Stop right there, thief. Not so fast, robber! The Bible says not to steal. Now you're gonna feel my steal. You're going to jail for life, Dirt Bike Ninja. Out.
I wish Dirt Bike Ninja was here.
Hey, Tommy. Dirt Bike Ninja's here.
Dirt Bike Ninja, I think there's a monster in my closet.
Hey, listen, little Steven. You don't have to be afraid. The Bible says God is with us everywhere we go. Plus, a monster in your closet? Monsters aren't even real. You were right!
Dirt Bike Ninja! Get him! Get him! Do it! Get him, Dirt Bike Ninja! You go, Dirt Bike Ninja!
Okay. Hey, it's okay. I took care of everything, all right, buddy?
Oh, thank
you can go back to sleep, see?
Thank
no
you,
more
Dirt Bike
monster!
Ninja! No!
Good night, buddy. Sleep well.
No.
Dirt Bike Ninja here. How can I help you, young man?
I'm having a hard time with my math homework.
Math homework, huh?
Yeah.
Let Dirt Bike Ninja help you.
Okay.
All right, let's take a look. 14. Half it equals
Minus.
4 semicolon B.
That's a divided by and a 3.
Okay, let's take a look over here. 14 equals half of the
Minus.
equals.
Minus.
4 plus.
Minus.
Hold on. All right, homework is done, little buddy. Oh, what a day. Hello?
Hello, Dirtbike Ninja.
Dr. Sinister?
I've kidnapped your precious mayor.
You give him back right now.
If you want to save him, you better hurry.
Nothing better happened to him. I'm coming for you, Dr. Sinister. God, give me the strength that only you can give.
Dirt Bike Ninja. He is a ninja. He's on a dirt bike. And did I mention he's a ninja? Dirt Bike Ninja. The only thing he knows how to ride is a dirt bike. Did I mention he has a great credits? Dirt Bike Ninja. He is a ninja. He's on a dirt bike. And did I mention he's a ninja? Dirt Bike Ninja. The only thing he knows how to ride is a dirt bike. Did I mention he has a great credit?